Hi guys, I was very adamant on getting my hair locked. Unfortunately, not many people wanted to do because it was so short. Could you explain to them what you're doing? Because it seems amazing.
First of all, how long was your hair? It was less than an inch, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was less than an inch, as you can see.
We made
guys,
a baby locks with a crochet hook. Tiny locks. They're just about locked here. There we go.
A little nap before we play.
And it's in. Look guys, that is one lock.
Okay, Dakar, thank you so much for your comments. You can go see.
Can you see sectioned and there's lock? This is no glue, guys. There is no glue
just
involved.
the crochet hook.
And it's not fake hair, it's real hair.
It will be standing a little bit because we don't have this loose hair at the bottom. Everything is locked straight from the scalp.
And it is a little bit painful, guys, but I like it, it's nice. Oh wow.
It seems to be locked nicely, man, and it's not gonna fall. That's for sure.
And this is on less than an inch.
I didn't think it would be so.
Less than an inch.
I didn't think it would be possible, to be honest.
And this just proves anything is possible.
That's it. We're pushing the limits here.
Less than an inch, guys. Look, that's what. So this has been going for about 2 months, 3 months, maybe 2.5 months. I grew my hair from
2 months.
zero. Yeah, 2.
1.5.
2 months, 3 months maybe. So it does grow kind of. Not as quick.
Later on we'll be able to lay them down. Just today they'll be standing a little bit. But like I always said, you will pick up more signals when they are standing like this.
But this is part 1 of the hair. I will update you again, guys, at the end. Finished, guys, look.
60 locks, man.
60 locks.